ChatGPT4 is going to give us a singularity in AI, but not the singularity. Here's why. Right now, the tokens are words. There's a lot that we can do with words, and it's able to do some incredibly powerful things, especially with computer programming. So that's wonderful. And that's going to produce a singularity insofar as it's possible for these AI agents to work together in companies. In other words, companies, little groups where you have one chatbot that's the commander, another one that's the accountant, another one that's IT, another one that's designing unit, whatever it is. They can all work together and collaborate and check each other in just the same way that a group of people will, except that they're working much faster, they work 24 hours a day, and all of them happen to have encyclopedic knowledge, which is crucial. Now, it cannot be the singularity. Contrary to the Sapir-Whorf hypothesis, language is not everything. So, language is very powerful. We can do a lot with it, but we can't do everything. The full richness of human experience is something that is arguably even more than multimodal, although that's definitely the direction that things have to go. So very excited to hear that things are going multimodal, though the current instantiation of that, where the images are being used, probably being converted to text first, and then text is being processed from there. In other words, everything is being converted into words. I don't know that for sure, but if that is the case, then we're still limited by that paradigm. That's why it can't be the singularity in AI. It's going to be tremendously important. Big game changer, no doubt about it, but it's not going to give us the general artificial intelligence singularity yet because it's not the right paradigm. We're moving in that direction though. So, in other words, if you have a calculator and they're working with other calculators to design a better calculator, that's great. That's going to give you a certain kind of singularity, so to speak, with respect to getting a better calculator, but it's not going to give you the singularity in terms of artificial intelligence. Not in the way that it can if we move beyond the tokenization using words and go to a tokenization using concepts, understandings, graspings, and we get kind of metaphorical here because we don't have really good words for it. But concepts and little nuggets of understanding is ultimately the kind of thing that we want to be able to trade in. Words are an important medium, but it's not going to get us all the way there yet. This is going to be big though.